This is Xubuntu, and I'm going to be installing the latest edition, which is an updated version in a desktop computer. I'm going to choose the mirror to download the ISO file. So this is the latest version, 24.04.2. So I created the bootable USB drive with Rufus. I booted up the desktop computer. I'm going to choose the USB drive to boot up from. So I'm going to run the installer. I'll choose the language. This is the keyboard layout and settings. I'm going to connect the internet using wired connection. So it says, how would you like to install Xubuntu? I'll choose interactive installation. So it says, what apps would you like to install to start with? I'll choose a full-featured Xubuntu desktop. So this is the install recommended proprietary software. So there are two options here: install third-party software for graphics and Wi-Fi hardware. I'll check that. I'm also going to check this box, download and install support for additional media formats. How do you want to install Xubuntu? I'll choose erase disk. I'll create an account. And I'm going to require a password to log in. This is the time zone settings. This is correct. This is a summary of the choices. So installation is complete. I'll restart the computer. Okay, I'm going to log in. Okay, I'm going to right-click the desktop. I'll select desktop settings. So these are some of the wallpapers. So I'll choose this wallpaper. So on the top panel, this is the applications menu, and there's favorites, recently used, all applications. This is accessories. This is games. This is graphics, internet, multimedia. This is office. This is settings. So on the top right side of the panel, there's the time and date. This is the volume icon. This is the network icon. This is the notifications icon. So I'll right click the panel, select panels, panel preferences. So I can change the position of the panel. Right now it's horizontal, there's vertical and desk bar. I can change the size of the panel. I'll right click the panel again, click on properties. And this is a separator feature. Right now the style is transparent. I can change that to handle and it shows here. This is dots. I'm going to leave it at transparent. I'll uncheck expand. I'll right click the desktop. Create a new folder. I'll right click the folder, click on properties. This is settings. I'll click on appearance. I'll open the terminal app and I'm going to check the kernel version. I'll type uname R. So the kernel version is 6.11. So I'm going to check the session type. I'll type this command. So it's X11. I'll check if VLC media is installed. So VLC media is not installed, so I'll install it. So I'll open VLC media. So to check the list of packages that I installed, I'll type this command, app list -i. So these are the packages that I installed. So I'll run this command to get a snap list. So this is the list. So I'll check what's the current desktop. I'll type echo xdg current desktop. So it's Xfce. So I'm going to run this command to get a word count of how many packages I installed. So I'll type app list, type wc for word count -l, 1860 packages. So I'm going to run an update. I'll type sudo app update. And I'll run an upgrade. I'll type sudo app upgrade. So I'll open the App Center. So this was just a quick overview of Xubuntu 24.04.2 LTS. And you can see the desktop environment is Xfce 4.18. Kernel version is 6.11. So I want to thank you for watching and I thank you for subscribing.